Good morning. I just landed in London. It's very good not to be rushing to connect flights. That's it. The destination is here. And baggage claim. I'm here. I am in London. So yes, this is my face again after long flights without makeup. But I am here and it is very special. And that's why I'm making this video to share with all of you. I'm back in London and I don't know, when you love London, you just love London, that's it. Express trains to London and the lovely gentleman was so helpful giving information. Did I tell you how I love this city? I'm just so happy I'm here. Little robot there wandering around. Oopsie. Cleaner. Wow. So they changed a lot the station since last time I was here, and I was told to go downstairs to get out of here. That's the car park. These are the lifts to underground trains and central bus station.